Shri Sai Satcharitra in Marathi by late Govind Raghunath Dabholkar. Translation in English by late Zareen. Adhyay 23, OV 188. गुरु ने आज्ञा पिता मानणे, अक्षरे अक्षर प्रतिपालणे, कार्यातरी न विलंबणे, जाणे मध्यम शिष्यतो. Know that he is the middling disciple who obeys the Guru's command to its very letter without any delay. गुरुने आज्ञा करीत राहणे, करू करू म्हणतची जाणे, प्रतिपदी प्रमाद करणे, जाणा अधम शिष्यतो. Know that he is the base disciple who procrastinates carrying out the Guru's command given repeatedly and commits mistakes at every step. परम वैराग्य नाही अंतरी, नित्यानित्य विवेक न करी, कैची गुरुकृपा तयावरी, जन्म जरी घालविला. Without the utmost renunciation and the discrimination between the transitory and the eternal, how can the Guru's grace be his, even though he has spent his whole life with the Guru? तरी जो गुरुपदी निरंतर, इच्छा तयाची पूर्वी ईश्वर, निश्चळ निष्काम करी सत्वर, तो परात्पर सोईरा. But God fulfills the desires of him who is inseparably attached to the feet of the Guru. He makes him steady and desireless quickly. He treats him like a relative. असावे निर्मळ श्रद्धाबळ, वरी प्रज्ञेचे बळ प्रबळ, सबुरीची जोड अढळ, परमार्थ सबळ तयाचा. The spiritual goal of life, Paramartha, is certain for him who has the pure strength of faith, together with the powerful strength of knowledge added to steadfast patience. येथे न लगे प्राणनिरोध, अपानोदान यांचा शोध, हठयोग समाधी वा उद्बोध, साधन दुर्बोध ते आम्हा. Then there is no need for control of breath, ingoing and outgoing, Hatha Yoga, Samadhi, or instruction for coming out of it. Those are difficult practices for us. असता शिष्याची भूमिका तयार, सद्गुरु सिद्धीसी नाही उशीर, ते तो सदैव अनुग्रह तत्पर, एकाची पायावर उभे. The Sadguru is ever ready to grant the fruits to the disciple, provided the disciple is mature enough to receive them. Actually, he waits impatiently and eagerly for imparting them. सगुण साक्षात्कार प्रतीती, भक्त मात्र तेच अनुभविती, भाविकांना उपजे भक्ती, पाखंड युक्ती इतरांना. Only the faithful believers experience God with attributes. It arouses devotion in the devotees. Others will call them figments of their imagination. पुढे मग बाबा काकास वदती, घे हे टमरेल पाण्याचे हाती, आता मी हलाल करीतो निश्चिती, देतो सद्गती तयाते. Later, Baba said to Kaka, take this tin container of water in your hand. Now I will slaughter it myself and give it Sadgati. आधीच तो बोकड मरणोन्मुख, तेथेच आहे तक्या नजीक, फकीर बाबास विचार एक, समय सूचक आठवला. The goat was half dead as it is. Fakir Baba had a timely thought that the takya was nearby. घेतला बाबांचा विचार, बोकड मारावा तक्यावर, येणे मिशे करविताच स्थलांतर, बोकड देहांतर लाधला. He asked Baba for his opinion if the goat should be killed at the takia. Under this pretext, when the goat was being taken there, it died on the way.